Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiran and in this video we are talking about Backflow incense burner. This is my incense burner that I ordered online. It's in ceramic and it's really nice because I saw a lot of videos about it online. I saw on Facebook, Instagram that this is going very on trend or something, and a lot of people put the videos. So basically this is an incense burner that it backflow, so that's really good, and it's a very nice and cool idea that they made, and especially even for decoration or just putting in your room or in your office. It's really nice, relaxing, and it's really nice the way it flows and to watch it. So I was really happy and I just looked online. I saw different prices, and then I got this one. Mine is for £13 or something. It came from China, I think, or Singapore, I don't remember actually, and it's in ceramic, so it's the color, you can choose different colors, and even the designs, they got a lot of varieties of designs. And plus with my ceramic incense burner, I ordered some cones, incense cones, and these are made especially for backflow incense, and I order a pack of 100 with different scents in it, so it will cost me around £3-4, and I got this packet here, and inside I got different scents, so I just quickly show you some of them. Like this one, this is peach, and they smell very good. I tried quite a lot of them, and the smell is really nice. There are 20 per each. So this is basil tulsi. This is exactly the same incense like usually Asians put in their houses, and the typical one, and it's really nice. Forest. And then I have amber. This is really nice as well. And then last but not least, mango. This is my favorite one. This smells so good, and I really liked it. And yeah, so these cones are specially made for the backflow incense burner because they got a little hole here on the bottom of it. So once you just burn your incense and you put it on top of your incense burner like that, it's slowly gonna backflow, and it will create a waterfall, and it's really nice. I just shoot some videos with different incense just to show you like how it works and everything, and they came out really nicely, and I'm gonna quickly show them to you. videos that I made them early and then I shoot this video. So they're very nice, especially the backflow. When it starts, it looks amazing and it actually relaxes you. Plus the smell, it is really good. And plus you can order different scents that you like, your favorite one. They got different varieties, and I really like this. It's a must buy thing, and if you like these kind of things, that's really nice. And I think this is a great idea, whoever invented it. It looks very nice when it's on, and I really like it. So that's it. I hope you like my video, and if you like it, just like. Thank you.